Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree. So today we are going to be doing a little revamp. Okay, essentially I just take pieces I already own in my closet, and instead of throwing them away and sending them to live at a landfill for thousands of years or however long it takes for that synthetic fiber to break down. So basically, our revamp series will be taking pieces from our closet and showing ways to revamp. Give a little makeover, a little spice, add up some pizzazz. You know what I mean? Assuming you probably won't have the exact item I have in my closet, or you won't need the exact same touch-ups, I'm really showing you how to look at a product and say, okay, this is what's wrong, this is what needs to be fixed, and this will make it sparkle. So I'm going to start off by basically showing you a shoe before I revamped it and the after. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our pre-revamp shoe. It's a pretty cute shoe. I got these from Nasty Gal. As if you look closely, you see there's some scuffs on the toes. Just your average wear and tear, a little dusty here. Yeah. My revamp product. So, my lighting does not want you to see that. Okay, maybe you can see here. Hello. I don't know if you can tell there. I added crystals to the toes to cover up the scuff marks. On this pair of shoes, this part was kind of coming off, so I went ahead and just ripped it out and replaced it with some rhinestone chains. I added another chain of iridescent crystals, and then I added some dangly stars. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's our shoe. Basically, see this part, it's like lifting. Just gonna grab these scissors here, just gonna. Next, you want to get your rhinestone chain out. I got this at just Joann's or Michael's, whatever. It's a little iridescent. Unfortunately, I'm still working with my lighting in order to find a way where I can show this to you. You win some, you lose some. Okay. So originally I recommend an E6000 glue that dries clear, and they usually dry pretty quickly. That's actually what I used on my other shoe, but I can't find that anymore, so we're gonna go ahead and use this fabric fuse. It's also an E6000, it's just for fabric, so it takes a little bit longer to dry. So I went ahead and put a little glob on there, and so I actually use my bent sewing pins. I use those as like a little glue spreader. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to start about parallel with the zipper. Actually, I'm going to start with this little line right here. You know, so for your own shoes, just kind of see how the lines go in your shoes and go from there. Just going to fill this in. Go ahead and grab a wipe and just wipe. Kind of like whatever got on the excess sides over here, I just wipe that off. So then I'm going to go ahead and take my chain. And you want to make sure they're all facing the same way. All the little rhinestone heads. You see that? And I'm just gonna go ahead and do this all the way around and I'll be back in a second. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and glued all of the chain down. I still would recommend the normal E6000 glue for this part of it, but we're actually gonna go ahead and use the fabric glue to put the rhinestones on the toe of the boot. Also, a quick tip, I kept a napkin around to wipe off the glue because it tends to get a bit thick and some of it dries, so you just want to make sure you keep whatever you're applying it with clean. I just lost the needle. So yeah, that worked pretty well, and then I just cut off the excess chain. So what we're going to do with the excess chain a little later is we're going to add it as so. Okay, so to prep for our toe bedazzling, I went ahead and I have all these different rhinestone cases. I will link everything below. And I just got a few different sizes of rhinestones. Again, everything will be linked below. And then this actually makes all the difference. Okay, so I put a mixture of rhinestone sizes into this little jar here. Go ahead and put some glue again on my little paper, and then little by little I will put a little bit of glue in and then go in with varied rhinestones. I want to make sure both toes are kind of covered equally, and also you want to make sure like any like little scraps of pleather, because these ain't real leather, is scraped off so you have like a flat even surface to put the rhinestones on. Same method, you want to put some down on the paper, grab a little bit with the pin, smudge it on, put the rhinestones on top of that, work section by section. Don't know if you can see it, it's got dual ends. And this end right here picks up the rhinestones so easily.